up, world? Welcome back to Radical Investors, where we talk about investing, stocks, and all the ways how to get to the money. I'm Wasu.
I'm Ahmed.
And today we're talking about Coinbase and how it's going to change the world.
Let's go.
Coinbase's IPO. Let's talk about it a little bit. What do you think is going to happen? Should our tribe be putting money to the side, looking to get into Coinbase? Is it the next wave or what?
Yeah, so guys, for those of you that don't know what Coinbase is a platform.
Are there people that don't know what Coinbase is?
I mean, they're
2021, guys.
Yeah, but
keep your ears to the streets.
We want, if there's some if you guys don't know, Coinbase is a platform where you could buy and sell cryptocurrencies, the top cryptocurrencies. They were established back in 2012 in the infancy of crypto, and they've been going strong for the last 9 years. And they're the number one platform in America. Globally, they're second only to Binance, but there's huge potential with Coinbase.
Yeah, and there's two players in the crypto market.
Yeah.
When it comes to listings. Coinbase and Gemini, right?
Right. Currently,
and is Gemini anywhere close to Coinbase?
No, I mean they're.
It's fair to say that they're a distant.
Yeah,
second,
they're a
right?
distant second right now. Like Coinbase is your go-to platform.
When people think about buying crypto in the United States, the first thing that comes in their mind is basically Coinbase.
It's Coinbase. So there's already huge brand
awareness,
brand equity. As far as with their brand name in the space. They're looking to IPO next month, I believe, at $100 billion valuation. This is a company that we would love to definitely jump into.
Yeah.
I think what's going to kind of determine that as to when we do jump in is the price point, right?
Yeah, very a lot of Airbnb vibes to me.
Yeah,
right?
potentially.
It's a company, so Airbnb, if you guys remember, we said this in a couple of videos.
Yeah.
We would love to have that company. We think that company's a fantastic company, but the price is just a little too rich.
Right.
For us. And similar with Coinbase, at least all the signals is that, there's going to be a huge run, and it's seeming like it's very pricey for me. And
right.
I don't like we're retail investors. Our tribe is mostly made up of retail investors, and I hate being the guy that is making the Wall Street insiders a whole bunch of money.
Yeah,
that doesn't really sit well
definitely. This is kind of on to drift to a little side note, but guys, I hope like after this these next 2 years of phases of these companies that should have actually, quite frankly, SPAC'd or gone public like earlier in their business models, these new companies start doing that and adopting that. And that's why we preach SPAC so much here, because for people to say like, oh, maybe they're not making as much revenue or SPAC is pre whatever, like if the idea makes sense, right, and you want to put your dollars behind that, it offers retail investors that early investor avenue, right?
Yeah. No, it's fantastic. You have companies that are growth companies,
right.
companies that are stable companies.
Right.
You as an investor can choose to put your money behind a company
Absolutely.
that's on the growth track.
Yeah.
It's simple, but for people to stay private and then go the traditional IPO route or direct IPO route, where insiders get an opportunity to get all the earnings in early, and then we're
caught holding the bag, right?
Where you're left with investing in a company at a super high valuation,
right?
Where
now
you have to hold it for 10, 15 years
just to possibly get maybe a 2x play.
Yeah.
Right? Like we over here, we're about 10x minimum. Right. We're looking for 10x minimum. So that's kind of the thing that really kind of sucks with this play. But we do believe we are crypto bulls here. Yeah. So, and we do believe in that industry. So hopefully, we'll see how trading goes when it does go public.
And we should mention that Coinbase is a very, very very good company. So I know we just went on a 5-minute rant there about things that we don't like about the direct listing and IPO kind of
and the valuation
thing, but they're a very good company. If you look at how they performed in 2018,
right, the bear season of
2017,
right? 2018, all of 2018
when crypto, if you guys remember, for those of you guys that have been in the crypto game for a while, and those of you guys that weren't in the game back there, crypto took a complete bloodbath for about a year in 2018. When I say bloodbath, I mean the bottom fell out completely. Now that's what crypto does, generally speaking, from time to time, but this time it was particularly bad because there was not a lot of new people that came into the market. And if you look at how Coinbase performed, because they get paid regardless, right?
Regardless, each side of the trade
or selling,
they're getting
Coinbase
paid.
is making money. So they did very, very well in those years. And obviously in 2020 and 2021, when crypto is basically, I think it's fair to say crypto is basically mainstream now. Coinbase is doing fantastic.
So they're positioned to benefit greatly from the crypto space expanding, and we definitely just want to put it on your radar. And
we think one other thing that I would like to talk about is their team. Before we head out, their CEO.
Brian Armstrong.
So I'm big on Clubhouse, and I was listening to Clubhouse, a couple conversations that they were having, and his thought process when he was talking about decentralized finance and how as we start moving off the planet Earth, right, how are we gonna communicate and do finance between planets? Just hearing him flesh out his thought process, I was like, okay, this guy is a revolutionary type of thinker, very, very thoughtful in his actions. And again, we love looking at the team. We love looking at the thought process of the leaders.
He's got big vision, right? He sees
big vision, and a lot of people behind him, a lot of the founders and stuff like that share those big visions. A lot of the early investors share in that big vision. Coinbase is definitely a winning company.
You see, guys, so that might, at that point, right, you start looking at it like, man,
is $100 billion a steal?
Is that even, could that be a steal 30 years from now?
Interplanetary finance.
If you're talking about potential trillions over the next 30 years from taking humanity to other planets, for sure. Guys, for those of you that were grateful enough to stay with us till the end, we just want to drop a little nugget. With crypto increasing and becoming more and more mainstream, another platform that you may want to look into and potentially invest in is Binance. That's right.
I love them.
They're the number one platform worldwide. So they aren't doing an IPO or anything, but
they do have a token.
BNB. So that's something that we've been accumulating over the last few years since 2017, and this could be high in value. They're going to have a cap on the amount of tokens, similar to Bitcoin. There's going to be currently there's 200 million of these tokens, but they're going to burn half of it, so it's going to be even more of a scarcity. So just kind of playing the odds,
you definitely want to add some BNB to your crypto portfolio for sure. If you're in this space, I think it's a no-brainer, 100%.
So just wanted to add that exclusive, that little nugget for those of you that were able to stay to the end.
It pays to watch our
videos to the end, guys. We are trying to add as much value as possible and bring you as much value as possible. So please, we love if you guys continue to stick to the end, and maybe this is something we continue to do where we add these little nuggets at the end of our videos.
If you're liking the content that we're creating here at Radical Investors, make sure to bless that like and subscribe button and come join our tribe.
Guys, come join our tribe. The link is down below to our Patreon, where you can support our channel and also join our Discord, where we talk about all things stocks and crypto. Also, we've got some other links down below to different platforms where you can buy stocks and crypto, and sign up for those. You want to be on multiple platforms. I'm also going to drop the link of Coinbase down below. If you don't have any Bitcoin or Ethereum or any other crypto, another gem, AAVE. Buy some of that.
Wow, just giving up all the gems.
We're giving up gems today, guys. We're giving value.
Join the jet setting, Gucci shoe wearing, diamonds wearing. Fire wearing community that we're becoming. Join our tribe. As always, happy hunting. Catch you on the next one. Peace.